Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to group picture in Microsoft Publisher. So get let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show group picture in Publisher. Firstly, insert from picture. Now going to the insert from option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now you can see, then select from find your picture. Now select from multiple picture. Now select from insert option. Now you can see group picture in Publisher. Now we move the picture. Now you can see, now we can see add all picture in the ungroup. Now we show that group picture. Now select from all picture. Now we're going to the format menu option, then click. Now click for group option. That it's. Now you can see, then we select from move from picture in any place, then in the group. Now you can see group picture in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.